Uh, Good day, guys. Welcome back to the 19th Supermap GIS contest application analysis training. And today is the last day session for application analysis. And today we are not going to demonstrate, but I'd like to introduce you some more topics about the application analysis topic. Before today's session, we also let me review the courses we have learned about. For the last 4 days, we have learned the how to download the iDesktop and how to install it, and also where you can download the public data from website. And also, and in the second day, we learned about the spatial analysis. So I think you already have the knowledge about the circle query, spatial query, and vector analysis, raster analysis. For the third day's session, we learned about the network analysis and also demonstrated how to build the hospital service areas. And for yesterday, we learned about the statistic analysis, and we also finished some statistic works. Here, let's review the works we made last 4 days. Actually, there we only have 3 days assignment. The first day we finished the precipitation zoning making by creating Tyson polygon. So here we can know the distribution of the precipitation based on the stations, and also we made the precipitation distribution map by interpolation. And here is the network analysis. We got the result of hospitals, service areas, and we can know the distribution of the hospital in your cities, and we can also can put forward the suggestions which areas need to increase the hospitals or other public service facilities. Here is the statistic analysis results. We count the number of the public service facilities and display the statistics results on the map by thematic mapping, and also we create diagrams to display the statistical results. So that's what we did for the last 4 days. And if you learned carefully, you'll know that we were not only studied these works we finished, but also we can do many extension works by these courses. So what can Supermap do for the application analysis? This is what we are going to discuss. So here I'd like to give you more topics about the applications by Supermap, and you can know what you can do. What more you can do with application analysis, and what tools can you use to finish your application analysis. So let's firstly take a look at the first part. The first part is map dashboard. So this is another way to display your results. And here I directly show you the example about the coronavirus COVID-19 dashboard. So here we can see here is the map, and with the thematic map we can check the information of each cities, and also here we can also summarize the statistical information by diagrams. Here shows the total quarantine from March 16 to April 3rd, and here also statistic the death cases and also the isolation information. And here we also can displays the total number of the confirmed, recovered, or isolation or death one. So this is a simple application using by made by map dashboard. And the next one, this one is about NDVI changes in Uzbekistan. Here this dashboard uses the data from the USGS Landsat 8 data remote sensing data. Here we can see there is 10 bars. Also, we can create the dashboard with different periods. So here, this example just display the 5-10 data, and here we can know the changes of the NDVIs. And here we can know the plants situation in these areas, and also here we can relate it with the electric map, and also the statistic information related with this NDVI or these errors or any information you want to add. So how to achieve these functions? Here I want to introduce you another product of a Supermap. It is Supermap Portal. So let's take a look what is Portal. Supermap Portal is one of the cloud GIS server. So here it has capabilities of construct the portal, and also construct web apps with no code. So it is an easy using tools. So what we can do with the map dashboard. So with Supermap Portal, we can here it provides four main functions. Firstly, database, which we can make maps through the website, and you just need to upload your data to portal and then make your map by the portal, and then share the map to others. The second main function is about the data insights. It is a function that you can deeply dig the data by a portal. So it is also a statistical tools. Later I will introduce you the details. And also the portal has 3D displaying and also 3D application capabilities. So the last way is the map dashboard. App Portal provides you the function of making map dashboard. So here is some examples of map dashboard. Here we can see we can display the dynamic data and also display the real-time data by creating dashboard. And also, it is easy to make your dashboard. We provide many template selection for you, and also you can just and the map constructor and the graph. Here we can see we provide many templates and tools for you. You just need to drag this to this layout interface and then make your own dashboard. And here I give you links to learn more about how to create a map dashboard. You can see this. You can see the operations about these two links, or you can find more about a portal introduction at our Supermap official account in YouTube. And the second one is data insights. So as you see here, the data insights also provide many diagrams and map view capabilities to display your data. The difference between the data insight and the map dashboard is that the data insights can dig the deepening information of your statistical data. And also it can make a comprehensive application for the industry applications. So here we can see the data insight is to explore and discover the value of spatial data. And so it provides lots of advanced charts and styles for professional use. It can make your CSV data or just the Excel data with much by many kinds of diagrams and to display to dig the information of your statistical data and to give you more, much more incentive suggestions maybe. So here we can also see it also provides many spatial analysis, just like the buffer analysis, ISO9, surface overlay, and proximity analysis. So it is a comprehensive application for your data digging. And the third one is machine learning. Before the machine learning introduction, I'd like to demonstrate you the Supermap Portal. The first thing, you can also download the Supermap Portal via our official website. Here, this one is a portal product, and select the portal product based on your computer configuration. Here I download one app portal and I already started it. Here I already started the app portal, and by double click the bin startup, and here we can go to the website just to input. The first step, we need to configure the account information. And the checking environment, configure license, and also here we can go to the homepage of App Portal. Here we can see the App Portal have the capabilities of manage the resources. It can manage the map, services, scenes, data, map dashboard, insights, and notebook. Here we can also, here we can click the map, and this is the example map, and also data. Here we can first sign in your account. Then here we can find the database. We can make map. Just upload your data with these formats. You can based on this notes to handle it. And here we can also add other layers from file, also from this from the data from the portal you uploaded, and also from the web, such like if you have published your data or map on the server. So here you can just use the services, map services or data services to make the map. And also we can add map layer just like this. After you make a map, here we can further make map dashboard. Here we can see in the portal here also provide many templates, like the natural resource platform, ecological big data platform. Here we can take a look at temple. And here we can see, we can check this data. And also here we can see, we can add the map scene component to the map to the layout and your own map. Like this. You can select the map you have you made. And also here we provide many we can also add map subcomponents, room, pen, layer list, campus, and charts. There are also many diagrams we can just to jump to the layout and set the information and set the parameters to make your diagram. First, select data, then upload your data, and then set the X, Y parameters. There are multiple types for you to choose. And even we can add the time range or timeline player to make a changeable dashboard. Just like you can make a land use and cover changes in the latest 5 or 10 years, and also make the precipitation changes in the latest 5 or 10 years. So there are many choices for you. And then let's take a look at the data insights. Here we can just take a look at a sample. This sample is the sales in January 2009. Here there is the map view by hotspots displaying, and here is a diagram view. So here we can do the situation, and there is the history, and this text or can provide the information of the sales situation. You can only add your data, upload file, sample data, my data, if you have, or my service. So this is the dashboard and data insights on the Supermap Portal. And also you can try another functions by this. You can do much more than I said. And the next, let's go back to our PowerPoint and continue. And this the third one is about the machine learning. So a Supermap, the machine learning, let's take a look what we can do based on the machine learning theory. First thing, we can detect the objects by object detection. This example shows the palm trees extraction by object detection. And so we can not only identify the palm trees, and at the same time we can get the total of the palm trees. So it is helpful. And the another example is about the building extraction. Here it uses the binary classification to extract the buildings. And also the machine learning can be used for the land use classification. So if you have the remote sensing data, you can make the land use and cover classification. So here is the workflow of the machine learning. first we should prepare the data and then training the model, and finally we can get a trained model to predict the results. So the third one is the model publishing and application by the trained model. Then here for maybe 3 products in Supermap supports the machine learning. Firstly is the Supermap iObject Python, which is a component GIS, and the second one is a desktop product, Supermap iDesktop X. It has the 4 functions of AI GIS. And the third one is the server. It provides 2 types of services. The first one is the Supermap iServer data science service, which can achieve these 3 flow works. And the Supermap iServer machine learning service can have the it has the capabilities of model application. So here I'd like to give you some applications by Supermap iDesktop X with AIGIS and AIGIS tools. This example is about the buildings changes analysis. Here we can see there we have two images from different time. The first one is the latest image by UAV, and the second one is image from maybe 10 or 20 or 5 years. So this data is from the Cosmos K3 data, and here we can see they are in different resolutions. But even this, here we can see they are in the same regions. Even there is many differences, but we can still do the building extraction for these 2 images. After we got the results, we can overlay these 2 data and then get the changes of the building areas. Also, we can know which buildings haven't been changed, and which buildings are new, and also which buildings have been already removed. And we can also count the numbers of the extraction results. So finally, we can analyze the buildings changes. We can get the result of number of new changed buildings number and the errors of new changes buildings, and also we can get the information about the number of removed buildings and also the removed buildings error. And for the machine learning, I give you a suggestion to download the product of Supermap iDesktop X. As I showed in this PowerPoint, the iDesktop X provides the 4 functions of machine learning. Even the object Python and the data science service have the same capabilities, but these 2 products need your programming. So so the desktop X is no code for you to achieve the application of machine learning. And then let me introduce you some awarded works over the years. This work is from this work is from participant last year. He made a dashboard map of COVID-19 hazards in London City. Here he displayed the relationships between he made a hotspot maps to display which areas is in is with the much more dangerous areas, and also he adds some diagrams to display the ranges of the COVID-19 with one period. And this work is determination of mountain explosion Asia relief level using AHP method. This work's background is that the Mount Cinnamon that still shows its volcanic activity. So the explosion of the volcano cannot be prevented as its modeling is required to visualize data. So his goal of this research is knowing the degree of familiarity in potentially explosive areas, and also preventing the potential areas explode to volcanic eruptions according to their relative level. And the third work is about the road stains extraction. This work is finished by Supermap at desktop X, and it is also used the binary classification to get the result. So here you can see this work prepared high resolution images. And then with this, with the binary classification, he got the middle line and the row stains. Here, after the post-processing, here we can see the result is really good. And so this is the excellent works we have. And so for this years, we also have some requirements for your work. You can know more the requirements through the official website, and also here is the requirements for this 5 days courses. Firstly, after you finish your work, you should confirm a theme of your work. So, and then the second one is that as you know, you have made not less than 1 maps and 1 result. So here I want you to integrate all your works you think it's good enough, and then make a comprehensive analysis with your each result. And also for the submission, here I also have some requirements. There is even no format limit for your final work. It can be any styles or just poster, PowerPoint, PDF, or Word. But your results should be include this this aspect. Firstly, is your final work. So this one is has no format limit, and the second one is the output. The output is the layout maps with JPG or PNG format. You know, every day we made maps, and also we should lay out our maps. So here, this folder should be put all your export maps. And the video, this is optional because if you, as I said in the last few days, that I wish you have a creative work. So and I also give you some suggestions to do more with the assignment, just like do some works about the changes of the national precipitation or the changes of temperature, precipitation, and others. And also just like I mentioned that if you are going to make a dashboard, so the dashboard is often dynamic. So here I need you to make a video to record your results, and then I need you make a document to introduce your work, including what data you are using, and the workflow of your work, and all the processing of your work, and also the final result analysis. So you should put all these folders into in one folder and named as application, country, and full name. Here I already upload the materials of this. This one is the these two materials are all the contents we introduced these days. And here the submission requirements. Here I input these three folders and the document in it. So so your submissions at least need at least have this folders, files. And what's more, let me think. The another thing need you to pay attention is that the deadline for submission application analysis work is June 6th. The deadline is next Sunday. But the deadline for the GIS computation work is August 30th. So you still have time to optimize your work for the computation And then what's more? Let me think. So I think also if you have any questions, you can leave your message in the Skype group, and all the work you should submit by Google Classroom. But your competition work you can also let me see. You can also submit by Google Classroom if you finish it before the deadline of this application analysis course. And also you can send your final result to my emails. And the last is that looking forward to your work, to your excellent work. So that's all for application analysis courses. Thank you for your listening, and see you